Okay, now we got some more light on it. As you can see, the paint is peeling off. Haven't done anything to this side as yet. Good news is, already got some paper up. I did start sanding this down with 80 grit. 80 grit. And you can see it's back. Now all the bad metal you can see was actually where all the paint had peeled off. Okay. Let's have a look at the trunk right here. Get all this crap out the way. As you can see, I have not sanded that down yet, so that's exactly what it looked like when all the paint peeled off, literally. I got this all sanded down. With 80 grit. Yeah, you can see some swirls in it, but that's okay. It's just 80 grit. I haven't even started on this down here yet. Now, come around here, put some tape down there, put some masking tape on that. Did this all with 80 grit, and again, where there's bare metal, it was bare metal from where the paint peeled off. Okay. Now this is my first car project. Alright. See that? That's where the paint peeled off, and there. And here. Okay, besides that, the car looks pretty good. And we'll go back over here on the roof. We got a little hail damage. I don't know if you can see the hail damage. Let me move my mask out the way. Alcohol. Well, you can see the roof. I don't know if you can see the hail damage, but a lot of bumps and nicks in the roof. I'll come back around here. Sorry about the video, my first one too. Okay, now this, a little bit of rust and hail damage. Not hail damage, but paint peeling. And you can see some spots there, another one there. This roof is not, I've already sanded the roof down once with 80 grit. Gonna do the whole roof, okay? That's 80 grit. Got some more work to do around down there by the keyhole, as you can see. This right here, the gray or the brown, that's regular primer that was underneath the white. That's where the paint peeled off from the, okay. Couple of spots up there. And the pin striping's coming off. Alright. Now, not too bad, but hey, any comments? Get back with me. Make a comment down below on the comment section. I did do the whole roof with 80 grit, and I I worked it all the way back here with 80 grit, okay? So I can take that top layer off on the paint, and I will be repainting the color white, the same color. And I will be going back over it with higher grits when I get the rest of the body done. Any comments? I would welcome them. My first attempt to do body work on a car. Thank you. Have a great day. Be safe.